first we need a canvas, a scale and one pencil. Tracing image will be provided to you. You just need to print it out and trace it in the canvas. The password is given in a video, so make sure you watch every video. For tracing, of course, we need a carbon paper. Here I am using a yellow carbon paper. After the tracing is done, we need a 3D outliner. Here I am taking camel gold glass liner, and with the help of this I will be making the cone work. You can use any kind of 3D outliner like Fevicol or Montmartre for this kind of work. Cone work are very difficult to do, so I will highly suggest watch my video fully and carefully and practice it another sheet and then finally do it on the canvas. After the cone work is done, it's time for the coloring. For coloring, I am using glass colors. As you can see, these are camel glass colors which are water based. You can also use Fevicol glass colors which are also water based. We also need a needle to spread out the glass color evenly. If you don't have a needle in your vicinity, you can also use any nib pen, which will be as good as a needle to spread out the glass color. Also, there can be an issue of bubbling in glass color, so it will also help in picking that bubbles. The final step after coloring is the Meena work, also known as the stonework. For that we need various colorful stones. We also need some glass liner to do the emboss work. You can also use a Fevicol fabric glue for picking up and pasting the stone. All of the materials link are given in the description box, also in the content section. If you have any question or any doubt about the materials, don't forget to ask me. I will be happy to answer each and every question. I will be looking forward for your projects. So what's waiting? Let's start the Meenakari work. First of all, we will start with cone work. Along with that, we will learn how to put stones on that. After stone work, we will start coloring, and finally with some additional detailings, we will complete our Jaipur art. After completion, you can't imagine that this is done by you. This art piece is definitely going to elevate the soothingness of your home and also bring back the positivity.
To get this free course in free format, you just need to go to the link in the description box. After you open the link, you can see there is written free and also a coupon is applied. You can preview some of the sample videos and then you can add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you can see there is option for your name, Gmail and also a password. So you need to sign up with that. After the sign up, this billing address page will come up. This shows that the course is free. You just need to put your address and also your PIN code, and after that click on enroll now button. After that, it's very easy. You can start the course from there. You just click start the course and you can see plethora of videos on that topic. After watching the entire course, you need to click the 5-star rating. Also, you can just complete the last course and you will get this 5-star rating. Give a good rating and also give an honest opinion so that more other artists like you can find my course. There is also PDF guides for each and every art form, so don't forget to download it from the resources page. So you must please hurry up because the seats are very limited. If you want to enroll in my other courses, you can search in Udemy and write my name and you can find all other courses offered by me. To know more such amazing Indian folk art, don't forget to subscribe to An Aberration Indian Folk Art channel.